Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about how you can fix iPhone problem with SIM card. So first thing, you just need to try to put off your SIM card and just put inside again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here airplane mode. Just try to turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general. In the general you need to find software update. Just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available updates for your iPhone, just tap on download and install and it will successfully update your system. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this issue, so you just need to, you can also just go to cellular data and just try to use another voice and data. So you can also just turn on 3G, not LTE, and just try like this. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.